guys, welcome to Tried and Tested. My name is Karen. Today's video is going to be on products that I received in my March fab bag. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you get notified. It feels like I've only been posting fab bag videos on my channel, and that shouldn't be the case. So I'm going to ensure that the next video that I put out is not a fab bag video. The theme this month, by the way, was the Glam Powermint fab bag. I got the product card in here. And I received two other cards. One is the fab bag contest that's there every month, and this one is an info card on how to use one of the products that we've received in the bag. So here's what the bag looked like this month. The shape this month is different from the regular fab bags that we've been receiving. I don't know, somehow I don't like this color, and as you can see, it has this dark red patches which is not looking very nice to me. But the great part about this month's bag is that I received 5 products after a really long time. So let's find out if the products were worth it this time. The first item that we received in the bag is a walnut scrub, and this one is by the brand called Nirvana. It's a full-size product priced at rupees 250. You get 50 grams of the product. The product is said to be free from sulfates, parabens and silicone. Also, it has a shelf life of 24 months. So right now I've just cleansed my face with a regular face wash, and I'm going to go ahead and use this scrub. So this product claims to scrub and moisturize the skin without leaving it greasy. Walnut with almond oil is perfect for detanning, deep pore cleansing, and for even looking skin. Also, it's ideal for all skin types. Alright, now here's what my skin looks like after washing the scrub off. Well, my skin does feel softer and it does feel a little moisturized too. The only thing that I'm not okay with is that smell in there. It smells really strange. It's like a mix of paint and rubber. I will of course have to use it more often to see if it does anything better to my skin. But yeah, that's it for now, and let's move on to the next product. The next in the bag is by Global Beauty Secrets. This one is called the Greek Face Mask. It's the charcoal face mask, and you get 10 grams of the product. So this charcoal face mask is made of activated charcoal. It helps remove excess oil from facial pores, and it removes toxins that can cause acne. Okay, so I have put it on, but I don't know how many minutes I'm supposed to keep it on for. There's nothing mentioned on the box or on this tube either. So I'm going to keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes. I think that's the timing that is given usually for most masks. So I'm going to keep it on for that much time and wash it off and be right back. Okay, so I washed that mask off, and honestly, I don't see that much of a difference. I don't know, can you tell any difference in my skin? Because I really can't. So I have received products from Global Beauty Secrets in the past, and they have disappointed me then. And here's another one that is not disappointing, but maybe it is disappointing because there's not much of a difference that I see. As a matter of fact, I kept this mask on for around 25 minutes, hoping that it would suck out all the oils and impurities and make my skin probably look a lot more cleaner. But well, this is what it is. So I'm gonna go put some makeup on, and I will be back with the next product that I received in the bag. Okay, the previous clip, it felt like I was really unhappy with the face mask, but I just have to say that it's not all that bad. So you can't see a visible difference on my skin, but while I was applying my makeup, I could tell a slight difference. The next item in the bag is by this brand called Seri. It's the Flashlight Blusher Stick. This one is in the shade Bubble Buzz. It's a full-size product priced at rupees 649. So I'm going to apply this on my cheeks now on camera. Alright, here's what this looks like. I do quite like this blush. I just feel that it's very light on the pigment, and you gotta build it up if you want to get like flushed pink cheeks. This is supposed to be a multifunctional stick, and I've seen a lot of people on Instagram apply this as eyeshadow and as lipstick as well, but I tried using it both ways and it hasn't worked for me. But one thing I have got to mention is that while blending it out, when I received it in the bag, I thought that the blending was going to be difficult, but it does blend really easily into the skin without making it look patchy. I chose this shade, but I wish I went for a different shade. I think the coral one would have looked a lot better, but nonetheless, this one's pretty good too. Then we received a nail lacquer by the brand called Laroy Crackle Me Up. The shade is called Riverbed Blue Crackle. This is a full-size product priced at rupees 299. So I'm going to put it up on screen as to how I apply this, but I'm going to read out how to use it from this info card. So it says apply a contrast base polish shade of your choice and let it dry before applying Crackle Me Good. That's something that I've already done. Once the base polish dries, apply a thick layer of Crackle Me Good quickly and watch your nails magically transform into an interesting nail art. Now if you are somebody who knows and who likes to do nail art, you'll probably like this. I'm not somebody who likes nail art anyway, so I really don't care much for this product. Also, I felt like my nails looked a little untidy and maybe I'm not doing it right, but this nail polish is gonna go to someone else who likes doing nail art. The next item that we received is also from Global Beauty Secrets. This one is the Greek Body Moisturizer. It's once again for 10 grams, and this along with a face mask in total is priced at $125. For once, I'm satisfied with something from Global Beauty Secrets. I do quite like this moisturizer. The consistency is not thick, which is great because I don't want my skin to feel greasy, especially in this heat. It's supposed to have a lavender scent, but to me it smells like sandalwood. Also, the smell does linger on for quite some time. The last item that we received in the bag is a hair mask. It's called Root Strengthening and Conditioning Hair Mask by the brand called The Tribe Concept. You get 20 grams of the product, and this one is priced at rupees 125. It's supposed to leave your hair feeling strong, smooth and shiny. So when you see the directions, they say you've got to take 1 to 2 tablespoons of the powder and then you add required amount of water and you make like a moderately thin paste and apply it to your hair evenly. You've got to leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes, wash it off with a mild cleanser and let it air dry. So here are my thoughts. I did tie my hair up and left the mask on for 30 minutes approximately. Now post the 15-minute mark, the mask starts to dry on your hair and it becomes like a little powdery, and then the powder starts to fall off. So it's like falling on your clothes and it's falling on the floor, and you can't keep sitting in the bathroom for like 30 to 40 minutes. Now I did not have a shower cap, else I would have put on a shower cap to prevent the falling, but I've used other masks before and nothing has led to this. Secondly is the scent. It's something that personally I did not like. It's too strong. I don't know what is it, if it's the hibiscus, but there's some scent in there that I did not like. The most important thing is when you go in for a hair wash and when you start washing your hair, at least this was the experience for me. I found that my hair was really brittle and dry, and it did cause a lot of hair fall last evening. Also today my hair feels a little rough than usual. So this hair mask has been a complete mess. I would have considered giving this to somebody else, but I'm so scared that they're gonna have the same reaction. I'm left with no option but to throw this away. So those were all the products that I received in the bag this time. If I total up the price of all the products, then it comes to around 1,448, and I've just spent $5.99 on the bag. So that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know if you've liked the bag that you received this month and what are your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it across with your friends and family. Please continue to stay safe wherever you are, and I should hopefully see you in another video sometime soon.